Family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Susanna and welcome back to today's video. It is actually time to cook. So as you can see, today we are having liver. Liver. This is for 100 bob Kenya shillings. For 2 people, for 3 people can be enough. With this hard life and egg. So this is our onions with some garlic in it. So I love that smell of garlic in meat and in liver. This is tomatoes and dania. And this is our salt. This is our cooking oil. And with liver, actually those guys today did not remove that hard skin. And to make it soft, I'm actually going to boil it. You can see that little water. So I'm going to boil it a little bit so that hard skin will be very soft. So let's on our gas. So our gas is on. It's going to boil a little bit for like 2 minutes. Then I'm going to fry it. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Kindly like, most especially liking, at least even my video, one of my videos to be recommended. Please share, like, comment on my videos also. I really appreciate your support. You have come a long way for my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for staying with me, and may God bless you. Continue subscribing, liking, sharing. So let's wait for it to boil a little bit, then we fry it together. So here we go. I put the onions and the garlic in here. Don't mind about that thing with the saucepan. It's because it has boiled, so that water is like that. So this is actually how to fry liver at home. How to cook liver at home. It is just as easy as that. But then there are so many ways to cook liver. If you have a lot of spices or things like that, you can put them. But when you have kids, I prefer you be careful with many spices in food. So that's what I'm trying actually to avoid. I just cook it simple and with liver, you actually have to cook it until it is brown like that. I don't know whether you can see it, but I know you can see it, how brown it has turned. So we put the tomatoes. Put the tomatoes and some little water, because my tomatoes is not actually that red. So I bought so many like that. I was thinking maybe it will get ready in just a night. But no. So that is it, and we leave it to cook. Then I will show you the results. Kindly subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up, please guys. Support my channel by just subscribing. It's not that costly, it is just zero cost. Just subscribe and like and share, just like that. You don't pay anything to subscribe, it is just for free. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment on the road to 1,000 subscribers. With you by my side and with God by my side, everything is possible. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Let's check our tomatoes whether it is ready. It has cooked nicely. Check. Apart from this few which are not yet cooked. So guys, as you can see, that soup, it is actually yummy. Shaky, very thick. So that is just how I fry my liver, how I cook my liver. Just as simple as that. So I don't know how you cook yours. Yeah, but for me that is it, and it is ready like that. I love that soup, that tomato soup. I don't add another soup. I don't want to add another soup. So that is the soup my boy is going to have with garlic with. So let me just switch the gas off, and that soup is very okay. Just just okay for my baby boy. So, and tell me at the comment section how you cook your liver. Yeah, tell me how you cook your liver, and I'll really appreciate it. Yeah, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly just smash the red subscribe button that you see down below, and like the video and share the video. Comment. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Bye.